Welcome back to another short video from Rusted Nuts and Ratchet's Garage. Today I'll be unboxing my Mishimoto baffled oil catch can. I picked this up off eBay. They sent me a coupon for 15% off, so it was about $30 delivered to my door in Canada. So as you can see, from what my friends have said, it looks like a real Mishimoto. And, well, let's get into it here. I won't be able to try this until about March or April when I put my Supra back on the road for the summer. And then I'll do a update at about the 5K mark, or maybe 3,000 miles. So that's the inside of it. There's a little drain hole on the bottom, so I'll have to make sure I mount it someplace where I can get to that fairly simply. And then here's the baffle here. It's held on by a little circlip on this here little post, and come on, focus. And then it's got this fancy little copper screen. It's kind of hard to see there, but pretty well simple construction. Should work just fine. The top is adjustable for whichever direction you want to face this. It doesn't have any Mishimoto branding. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this is not a Mishimoto. Somebody just copied the design of it, possibly. So it has an in and out, two ins and an out. And it came with these hose barbs in a bag, plus a couple self-tapping sheet metal screws. Yeah, I'll take one out so you can see it there. And that'll just thread right into the ports here. I might go with AN fittings. I actually probably will, because I'd like to clean up the engine bay of my car a lot. I don't have a baffled oil filter or catch can at all, and it comes with a little Teflon tape for sealing the ports there. But that's pretty well it. That's what comes with it. Excited to hook it up, and I'll make a video when I do install it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please.